Hello all, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be making a scrub for my face. It's something that will brighten your face, will remove unnecessary dead skin from your body, from your skin. So in doing so, I'm going to be using rice. Rice is my main ingredient in this solution. So I have my rice here that have been parboiled. It wasn't fully cooked, but it was parboiled because we don't want it to be soft. So I'm going to put a quarter of a cup of water into the jar, and then I'll put a teaspoon. Actually, I need to blend it first. So I'm about to blend it. I'm just going to crush it actually. So I have the rice crushed right here. Actually, I put a little too much water, which is okay. I can use rice starch or rice flour to thicken it up. So I'm going to put a little bit in my bowl. So this is it right here with my water. So okay, this is it right here. I have it right here. So in this bowl, I'm going to go ahead and put my baking soda, bicarbonate soda actually. So I will put a tablespoon of my bicarbonate soda in this bowl. It's right here. Okay, so I'll need them both to be able to do my and I need my spoon to mix everything together. So I have the rice, and I also have the bicarbonate. I have the rice, and I also have the bicarbonate powder soda in here. So the next thing I want to actually put is my lemon. We all know that lemon has a along with rice, they both have a very strong properties of properties in them that lighten skin. So I'm going to squeeze in a tablespoon of my lemon. So I have my tablespoon right here. So I'm going to squeeze in a whole tablespoon of my lemon. This is a half lemon that I have at home already. So, because I'm always using lemon, so I have it left over. So I'm going to put a tablespoon. It's going to foam a little bit because of the bicarbonate soda that is there already. So this is a very great scrub for your face. You can use this to scrub your face. In order to thicken it up, if you want, you can put actually put flour. Put rice flour to thicken it up, and that's what I'm going to do now. I'll put a little bit rice flour to thicken it up. Okay, so, and this is a perfect remedy to clean up all my dead skin from my face. If you want, you can also do another one with sugar, but this one, my main ingredient is definitely not sugar, it's rice. That's why I actually put extra rice flour in it. So I'm going to put a little bit more because it's still a little watery for me. So I'm going to put a little bit more rice flour to thicken it up a little bit more. And here we are. So what we have here right now is a great remedy ingredient to actually beauty product to actually exfoliate your face, mask your face, and it will also brighten your face. It's very good. It's very rich in minerals such as vitamin B and calcium, which is the rice, and also the lemon in it. It's very rich and antioxidant. So you want, then also the bicarbonate soda has substance in it that will help you actually achieve the brightness that you want. So all the ingredients that I use here are very, very useful for you, and it will turn your age backward. You will, if you are 50 years old, definitely you can achieve 10 years younger age after using this to scrub your face a few times. So you can store it in the refrigerator if you don't finish using this. So I'm going to go ahead and apply some on myself. Okay, this is so perfect. This is superb. This is great. So you can put some right here on your hand, and this is perfect. Okay, I'm going to wash the rice mask off. I've already massaged it on my face. Right now I'm going to wash it off. You see, this is the rice mask. I put it on my face and I also put it on my hand. So I'm going to rub it. So nice and soft. Okay, so my hands are wet right now, so therefore I'm going to use the same wet hand to massage my face before I wash it. So that it can remove all the dead skin and also brighten my face. Okay, so now I'm going to wash my face off. The water is a bit too warm. I like it warm, but not too warm. So nice, soft and clean, brighten. That water is too warm. I'll use a cold water to close my pores. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, like my video, and make sure that you share the video. Thanks for watching.